Okay, Second Life, building, absolute basics. This video covers linking. Linking is the process of combining two or more prims into a single compound object. Let me give a quick demo of that. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind while linking. There's a maximum link distance, so if things are too far apart, you can't always link them. Also, there's a set number of prims that can be linked into a single compound. You can't exceed that limit, and it's something like 200 prims or something roughly in that ballpark. So in order to link prims, you want to select all the prims you want to link, and then what I usually do is hold down the shift key for more control, and clicking to deselect an object and clicking again to select it will make it the last object selected. Now that is going to be your root prim. And then you go to Tools and Link. Alternately, you can do Control L. Now you can always tell which prim is the root prim because it's yellow, while the other prims are going to be blue. So let me show you how you can change which prim is the root prim. I've unlinked these. Now I'm going to, using Shift, select and deselect and reselect a prim so that it's the last prim that I selected, and then go to Link, and now it's the root prim. Now there are various reasons to do this. Probably the main reason is because whenever you script a linked set of prims, the script is going to go into that root prim, and depending on the effect that you want to accomplish or the action that you want to accomplish, that prim is going to be pivotal in your scripting. So let me give you a quick demonstration of something that falls into that category. This is something I created quite some time ago. It is a replica of an Egyptian curio cabinet. And I'll show you how it's scripted. Click on these doors and they pop open. You can't actually see it, but there's an invisible prim in the absolute center of each one of these doors. That is what allows the door to move on an axis and give you this realistic door open and close effect. And you can see the script is also included in that root prim. So that's one of the many utilizations of the root prim system that linking allows you to accomplish. So that is basically the fundamentals of linking. Also, there's one other thing. If I take this linked group into my inventory, it shows up as a single object. Now, this is something that I didn't learn until much later. It turns out it's very, very important. If you unlink these, you can also take this group and save it to your inventory. Now if I take these, they show up, but as you can see, this icon is different. That means that they're unlinked, and you can have a virtually unlimited number of prims in one of these groups, provided that you can actually select them all. So that's an alternative method to linking and taking something into your inventory. The one downside of this particular method is that when you res the objects, they're not linked. So if you res them and then deselect them and attempt to move them again, you're going to get some fragmentation of your object, as opposed to with this linked group. If you deselect that, you can just click it again to move it as a single object, and that's very, very useful, because when you're doing a more sophisticated build, something along the lines of this, and you're going to be editing it, making further additions or modifications, those links are very, very, very important. They're pretty much crucial. So that is linking in a nutshell. Thanks for watching.